Okay, good morning. We will be talking about chapter 17, contract verbs. So we are still under the category of present active indicative. Last meeting we did a study on the present active. And so we may skip to this. I leave the body of the content to you. So overview in this chapter, you will learn the peculiarities of the verb stems ending in alpha, epsilon, or omicron. Okay? So the five basic rules governing the contractions of vowels, we will see that in a bit, in a while. So contract verbs are verbs whose stems end in alpha, epsilon, or omicron. So that final vowel is called the contract vowel. For example, the verb agapaw has a stem ending in alpha. And then you know that the suffix omega it gives us the information it is first person, present active indicative, and singular. Okay, so it has number, it has a person. Contract verbs follow the standard rule for verbs, but there is one additional point that needs to be emphasized when that final stem vowel comes into contact with the connecting vowels, the two vowels contract. Contract meaning, for example, one letter O and another letter O, if they contract, it becomes omega. Just to or if you have a pi, you have a sigma. When you contract them together, so it becomes a psi. So of course, not a really good example, no. But for example here, poye, the two vowels is poye. It ends in epsilon, and then it is first person plural, so omen. So we know that we will use the preposition we, but notice the epsilon added to the omicron, it becomes poyumen. Okay? Poyumen. Notice that there is um, uh, a marking, no, above the upsilon. Okay? So so the idea, there is something that was drop off, no, because of the contraction. So contract verbs are categorized according to the final stem vowels. Again, the categories are alpha, the epsilon, and then the omicron. Yes, it is important to learn contract verbs are common. For example, if you find the form poyete, the A is going to cause problem unless you recognize that A can be the result of the contraction of two epsilons. Now, there is again the marking, no, above the iota. So, on epsilon contract, poyete, poyete, poye, and then ete. Okay? We know that ete is the suffix for the second person plural. Okay? Okay, so these are example. For example, can you parse the following verbs? Because of our time, for human, so we know that this is it's a contract. It is first person plural because of the omicron and then the men. But you know that the omicron drop off due to the contraction. And then play rote. So um this is the present active indicative form will be ete. So that's second person plural. Agapas, uh, so this is given that um, this is for the alpha contract, the contract of the alpha group. So it's supposed to be agapaw and then agapas. So this is dative, right? Dative. Sorry. This is accusative. Accusative. And then for you, this is the contract for I the first person singular. And then agapusi, that stands for the third person plural. Okay. So that translation will be they love, okay, or they are loving. They are loving. So rules for construction, following a rule showing that what contractions are caused by vowel combinations. So rule 1 and the 2 are most common. Rule 7 governs construction of diphthongs. So diphthongs, we remember the two vowels, a word which has two succeeding vowels. Okay. So U is formed from Ayo and then Oe and then Uu. So Puyumin is formed from Puye plus Omen. So notice this is incorrect, okay? Puye Omen is incorrect. The correct or the form that results in the contraction is Puyumen, okay? And then Playrute. Notice that the epsilon drop off or uh, contracted, no, with the since it is OU, no, it becomes an OE. And then A is formed from EE. So Poyete is the correct one, not Puyiti. No, Puyiti is just a sample of the the combination of the suffix prior to its contraction. So Puyiti is wrong, okay? And then Pleuruity. So the correct one is the one in the left column. So omega is formed from almost any combination, okay, of Omicron. Like a ow or the three succeeding vowels A, O, U, alpha, omicron, upsilon. So we could see agapomen. Again, there is a marking, no, above the omega, which prompts us that there is a contraction that took place. Agapao, so the the word in the right, no, is incorrect, okay? But just to help us understand how the omen was added to the agapa. And then that also applies for the third person plural, agapusi. Okay? Agapusis. And then again, you can see the marking above the omega. So we have a special situation, lexical form. Okay, okay. The fourth rule, the A is formed from AE. So for example, agapate is the result of the combination of the alpha and then the epsilon. Agapaete. Okay? And then agapa. Notice that agapa um, is from the agapae. And so, in order to inform us that there is a contraction, they put a marking, no, above the alpha. Now above the words, Greek words that end in eta, um, or rather it ends with epsilon alpha. Puye, for example, the word, if you add the iota, it puyi, or puyeai, or it becomes puye. Okay, the relationship between IA and AI is easy to remember. So if I know this is really a challenge because we are just looking at one lesson, but there are a lot of things to remember. So I also again encourage you to have this pages printed out, no, for your quick guide. Okay, and then this is for the diphthongs. This is the seventh rule. Okay, so like EEI, so it simply becomes the epsilon iota. Yes. Okay, it's not is. And then U, or you can see from the double omicron and then the upsilon. third person plural, that is Playrusi. So instead, there is a contraction, Playrusi. If the contract vowel and the first vowel, the diphthong are different, they contract. Like the alpha, it comes from the alpha epsilon iota. So agapa A, and you know that agapa A, the suffix epsilon iota reminds us of the third person singular. Remember, he, she, it, right? He, she, it. So third person singular, it simply becomes agapa. And then the poiosin, wherein the ending becomes epsilon plus o. So it again becomes poieusi, it becomes poiusin. Okay? Uh, a few the contract verbs, if the true personal endings are those visible in the present active, the uh, alpha and then omega, agapu, agapo, agapas, agapa, agapaumen, agapate, agapusi. So this is an example of how the contract ending with alpha, okay? Ending with alpha are formed using this particular verb. So agapao, so this is practically this, you can also have this printed out, this particular table here. Those ending with, of course, the alpha added with the omega. So it becomes agapaw, agapas, agapa, agapaumen, agapate, agapusi, or agapusin. Same applies for the those ending with epsilon and then those ending with omicron. Okay. So notice the endings, no? They are except for the men, the te, and then the sin, which is the plural form. The singular forms are really different, no? Except for those ending with the omega for the first person singular. So there will be a circumflex, the marking over the contracted vowels, and then be sure to remember the rules 17.8 for the connecting vowel. If you see agapate, you may recognize that the personal ending is te. But is the verb agapao, agapeo, or agapu? Okay? So, since the personal endings begins with tau, the connecting vowel must be an epsilon. The one that dropped off, okay? And then it should be ete, second person plural, agapaete. But again, there is a contraction. So that is how the Greeks um, manifested their words that end with, for example, here the alpha. So summary, the peak 5 O is formed by Ayo, Owe, and Uu. A is formed by E. The omega is formed from almost any combination. A is formed from AE, and then eta is from Ea. And remember, the ending Ea and then A and then the eta practically sounds the same, no? So Oi is formed from Omicron and then the epsilon iota. We remember that the epsilon iota is the ending for the third person singular, di ba? A is A. So the contract vowel and then contract verbs, contract as the personal endings are those visible in the present active. The lexical form shows the contract vowel, but if that form actually occurs in the text, the contract vowel in Omicron will have contracted agapo, apoyo, playro. So simply it's playro. It's not playro. It's playro. Okay, these are another set of vocabularies, some of which we will already be using in our um, workbook. Okay? So just a quick view since you all have a copy of this one. Agapaw, I love Daimonion. Okay? Daimonion or Daimonyo or to Daimonyo. Okay? And then Zeteo or Zeteu. I seek, desire, try to obtain. And then Kaleo sounds similar with the English. I call or name, invite. Laleo, I speak. Oida is the present active of I know. But there is also ginusko. Um, so there are two Greek words for one English word, I know or I understand. Perhaps I understand if it's more of the oida. And then hotan, whenever, which is an indefinite pronoun, because you do not know exactly know what time or date the speaker is referring to without the context, of course. And then play on. So this is comparative, no, big, bigger, biggest, no. So play on, larger. But of course it's the comparative one, no. No? And then play ru. I feel complete, fulfill. And then puyo, puyo, I do make, which is a very common verb. Tereo, I keep guard and observe. And then, okay. So we may skip this one because we want to um, hmm. Sige, carry on. No problem. So proceed with the workbook. Okay, we may. I leave this to you, no, for practice, no. So laloomen, it is from laleo. It is first person plural. We speak. Agapusi, third person plural. They love or they are loving. Tero, first person singular, I keep. Plerute, you know that the ete is the ending, second person plural. From plero, so that's you fulfill, plural, because there is a you singular. Zetosin, third person singular. Zeto is seek, so they are seeking. Agapa, the contraction of the um, 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 first person singular. So I love. Okay, present. Calais, you remember the second person singular ending. It's also call, you call, singular. Playroy, um, uh, so so this is first person. Sorry, third person singular. Playroy. So he fulfills. Something like that. Lalite, second person plural is as you speak plural, and then poye is the third person singular. He, she, do or make. Okay, warm up. Sabi ko nga, I'm glad na there's a lot of you, so you will be taking turns. But you do not know when I'm going to call you because of course that depends on the skill. And so, okay. So let's begin. Allen, tas and tulas.
Hello, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. It's been a while.
Kaya nga eh.
Tas, tas entolas autu, terumen. Terumen. Wait, command. We are keeping his commandments.
Pero man, we are keeping his, yes, yes, we are keeping his
Commandment.
commandments. Good. Next, si Cherin. Cherin, please.
O Poyo ta Irga tau Fatrus mo.
Good. Okay. Analyze upuyo first. Upuyo. So, puye is a new word which means do or make. But how do you analyze puyo? Or upuyo? The omega is first person, right? First person singular. So what will
Yes,
be
sir.
the, yes?
I make the
You remember erga from ergon? But this is plural and then it's accusative. You remember work?
Irga work, sir.
Yes, yes.
I made the works of my father.
Okay. But there is an u. What does the u function?
Okay. Not
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not make
Let's just change from make to do. Let's change to do. Use the word do.
I I do not uh,
I do not.
not make the works of my father.
Yes, I do not make the works of my father. Good. Sometimes struggle. I do not do. I do not do the works of my father. Anyway, let's continue with Ezra. I-try mo na to, Ezra.
Sir, Z Zetao Sensei.
Good. Zayto Sinse. Good.
Zetao Sensei. Say you. They seek you.
Okay, they seek you. Or you could also say, of course, they seek you, or they could also say they are seeking you.
They are
If
seeking.
if you would use it in conversional, they are looking for you, right? No,
Yes,
they are
sir.
looking for you. Okay. Thank you. Um, Johnson, Agapas.
Agapas me. Do you love me?
Good. Next. Um, si Ate Lisa. Ate Lisa, you may need to unmute, no?
Okay. Sorry, sir.
Sige, sige.
To sabaton tere.
So, but there's an U, no?
To
To sa baton
sabaton o
U.
to sabaton o tere.
Good.
Um, Sabat observe.
Yes, observe or keep.
He
He,
he he does not observe the Sabbath.
good. He does not observe the Sabbath. Okay. Ito pa ba? Martin,
Yes, sir.
sige. Tila Lace.
Tilalays met metautis.
Mm. Sige. T is a question, no? So there's, of course, it ends with a semicolon. So this is a question mark. And then T is a question. And then
What
notice that, yes, yes, go on.
what are you saying to her?
Oh, yes. What are you saying to, um, Yes, yes. What are you saying? Met is with, no with. So, mas appropriate yung preposition with dito, no? What are you saying with her? Yan. Okay, thank you. Psalmist, Psalmist, unmute. Yun.
Sir. Sorry, sir. Medyo naalala ko pa yun. Ano ba? Ah,
Taga po, men.
agapomen ta ah ano ba sir? Tatekna, tama?
Oh, tatek na.
Tatekna. Tatekna tautuyu. Tauteyu.
Oh, Teo.
Tauteyu.
Sige.
Ah, ah, ano ba? Ah,
Yung omen ending is first person plural.
first.
So, we yun, we.
We love
Do you remember teknon? Teknon is child, no? Singular.
child.
So,
We
here
love
this is it. Sige.
we love kasi we love children.
We love the children kasi
We
meron
love the
reference article.
children. We love the children
Of Theos.
of God.
Of God.
Of
Good.
God.
Okay, thank you. So, yan. Back to si Allen.
Okay, sir. Ti de me talite kurei kai u poyete ha Lego.
Good.
Yep na na. Um, okay. But why are you calling me? Kurei, Lord, kay. And
Use but. Mas maganda yung but.
but you are not doing what I'm saying.
Yes, yes. Good. Tideme, kalite, kurye. Kay ho, puyete, lego. So so there is a de, no? So, no. So, and why do you call me Lord, but do not do what I say? Question mark. Good. And then, Cherin. Oy, matetay.
Oi mate tai ai tan au te tia ti en parabolize lalais autois.
Good. You remember Matetay, the disciples?
Yes, sir. They said the
The disciples.
disciples said
How to?
to him,
Good, to him.
what do you
Perhaps you should use why.
okay, sir. Why do you speak?
No. This is not why do you, because lalays, I, yes, sorry. Yeah, lalays is second person singular. Sige, go on. Why do you?
Why do you speaking to them in parables?
Good. Thank you. Uh, easy, right? When we have a lot. When we have a lot here, Cherry, and then I could not I could not give this to Ezra, no? Johnson. And then Ezra will follow with Hopater. Johnson.
Yes, sir.
Himays.
Imays oida men oti mata baby kamen
Good.
mata and ekto
Tanato.
panato is thin zoen oti agap agapomen tos adelphos adelphos. We,
Oida is no.
sir,
Oida is no. This is a new vocabulary.
no, we know that we have passed from death to life
Yes. Hoti there is because.
because we love the brothers.
Good. We love the brothers. Okay. Ezra, Hopater.
O pater agapaiton oin kai panta de
The
di
Doken. Yes.
decoken and ente cherry ato
Okay.
o
You
the
remember
father
Hopater?
the father
Yes.
agape is love uh, the son his
The
son
father loves the son and
father loves the son and as
do you
and
remember Panta?
Pantas thinks
Yes, all things or everything is okay.
all things as given in to him this- all things
Carry is Han. Ezra.
as given sir, all things as given into his hands.
Into his son. Okay? Okay. The father loves the son and the Doken first. The Doken. Okay? He has given, we may say everything. We may say he given all things if you want to choose it. He has given all things into his son. Okay? Thank you,
So
Ezra. So, um, Martin, itry mo to.
Alin, sir?
Itong autoy ecto. Cosmo. Okay, read the Greek first.
Okay, sir. Otoy, otoy ektu kosmo asin
Good.
dea tutu
Mm.
lalusin.
Then, na mismo yung ecto cosmo. Ito. Diba? Dia tuto ecto cosmo.
Dea tutu ektu kosmo lalusin
Yes.
kay cosmos
Kay ho cosmos.
kay ho cosmos oton ako a.
Good. Allow me. Autoy ecto cosmo isin. Dia tuto ecto cosmo lalusin. Kaiho cosmos at auton akue. Yung autoy dyan, functions, of course, when one of the lessons was about the autos, the function of the autos. So the ending oy is first person plural, no? So this is the preposition we, or sorry, third person, third person singular, third person plural. So this is they pala, they, and then yung asin, naalala mo yung asin? Ano to? They are, no? So meron kang they, then meron kang are. Martin.
Translate ko, sir.
Oh,
Ah, they are of the world,
yes, they are of the world.
therefore they speak of the world,
Yes.
and the world listens to them.
And the world listens to them, okay? Autoy ekto kosmo, asin. They are from the world. And therefore, or for this reason, the world listens to them. Uh, they are from this world. Therefore, therefore they speak from this world. Okay, therefore they speak from this world, and the world listens to them. Sige. Ate Lisa,
S- So Pistayes,
hmm.
Hotees Istin, Hoteas Kalos, Pestayes Kaita,
Daimonia.
Daimonia, Pestayos Sin Kai, Presosin.
Prisusin. Good.
There is you you know that
Yung ano, yung pistios has something to do with believe, no? You believe?
okay. You believe that there there is a God.
Or God is one. Kasi A here functions as one. You believe that God is one.
You believe that God is one
And notice that there is a comma.
and
So there is a break. And then kalos.
Kalas.
More of an expression yung kalos po is para mag you do good, no? You do good. Or maganda. Or mabuti.
Well, good.
Uh,
You do good.
yes, you do good is okay.
And demons the demons believe and they shudder.
Good. Thank you, Ate Lisa. Okay. Um, si... Sino ba to? Okay, okay, Allen. So, Psalmist, Home.
Sir, yung may one who loves. Tama, sir.
The one who loved. Oh, Home.
Um, ome, ome, aga, aga,
Pon. Home, agapon.
agap, agapon, agapon, me, tos, la,
Logos.
logos,
Mm.
Logos.
Mu.
Mo. O. Um,
Terey.
Terey. Kai. O. Logos. On. On. Uh,
Akwete.
Akwete. Uk. Estin.
Emos.
Emos. Um, Helgeting.
Salmis, start ka muna dito, no? Analyze mo muna to. Please analyze this one. Given naman, it's already there, no? The one who loves you. But there is a me.
Ume.
Remember, the me is
Not.
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 Automatically, the one who does not love you.
Good. The one who does not love.
The one who does not love, sorry, ano pala? This one.
Me.
Okay. The one who does not love me.
Love me.
And then this is another verb. So, always look for the verbs, no? Yan. This is a new word, no? Yun sa atin sa, for this. Okay. Yung tere, is, he keeps, no? Keeps or observes.
My words, logos, my words. Kai o logos. And the word. The word.
This is the, this is the first clause. And this is the second. Okay? Analyze. The first is the one who does not love me.
The one who does not love me does not keep my words.
Okay, does not keep my words. Okay?
Keep my words. And the word, and the word.
And the words, ito, nagpa-function siya as indefinite. So, pwedeng, the words that. And the words that.
And the words that. Akwete. You hear.
Here. And the words that.
You hear.
That you hear. Ito, nagpa-function to as mine. Okay?
It's not mine or own.
It's not mine. Or are not mine. Kasi, hindi, singular lang naman to eh. Is not mine. Okay? And the word that you hear is not mine.
Mine.
Okay. Thank you. So, who's next, Kevin? Kevin?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Tipo you mean?
Yes, sir. Tipoiman, hoti, hotos, ho, anthropos, holla, hoi, semia. Teams, what?
So, puyo men. Puyo men is first person plural, right?
Yeah.
And then in the last, the last, there is a semicolon which tells us this is a question. Okay?
Yeah.
So this has something to do with the question, right?
Sure.
If it's a question, it could mean a what or a why. But
Sure.
it's always good. The function here is what,
What?
and then poyomen.
For you, Lord.
The verb is do.
What we do?
Something like that. What are we doing?
Sure. Okay. But what are we do? Uh, since
Yeah, since. What it can be taken as since here.
since since the man is
Okay, the man. But there is a utos. So you
Utos.
take this as one phrase.
Since this man
This man, good. Since this
this
man,
man this man is performing many signs.
good.
So
It can also be does many signs. Okay, what are we doing since this
this man.
man does many signs? Okay, does many signs. Or you use the word performing. Okay. And then, who's next? Si Allen. Len? Unmute? Or
Kaya
perhaps,
lang, nag-chat po siya sa
sige, he's still in the, no, perhaps he's still yung phone call pa rin. Johnson na lang, Johnson, please.
Sir. Iligay on auto o Pilatos imoy o lalays og oidas oti exousian iko apol ap-
Apolusay.
apolusay sikay exousian iko staurosia si
Taurusay.
rosai si. Then Pilate said to him,
Okay, this one. Lalays is speak, right?
yes, sir.
And then U is not. So not speak. And
I do
then,
not speak.
why are you not
Speaking. Why are you
speaking?
not speaking? Do you not know that I have power to free
Free you.
you, and I have power to crucify you?
Very good. Thank you, Johnson. Okay, so um let's add this one. Cherin, Idu.
Idaw oi matetay so for your sin o og against foi fuyen and sabat sabat to
You remember Idu? Idu is behold.
behold.
And then Mateta, you remember?
Yes, sir. Behold, your disciples
So using. The basic is they do or they are doing. So your disciples are doing.
your behold, your disciples are doing
And then
what
existing
is
is O plus ST, not lawful. Existing is lawful. So What is not lawful?
What is not lawful to do in the Sabbath?
Good. Thank you, Charin. Good. And then, sige, balik tayo sa iyo, Allen, since you're back. Allen. Ayon.
Eh, okay, sir. Eon tas entolas kaitus nomos to theo terumen oidam oidamen oti eko men ten agapen ten megalen autuen tais cardiais
Emon.
emon emon. Okay, sir. It's sir.
Okay, before you go on, this is tricky. No? The verb here is teromen. No? There's a lot of
Keep
information here going on. Ano? So, but
keep keeping the commandments.
okay,
If
you
we are
begin with
keeping the
therefore.
commandments,
You begin with the un. Therefore,
then okay, sir. Can I use then, sir?
that's okay. That's okay.
Then if we are keeping the commandments and laws and
Alos.
the laws of God, then if we are keeping the commandments and the laws of God, we know
You know,
that we
you know
have
that we have,
love in we have his love, his great love in our hearts.
yes, yes, good. Ayos. We know that we have His great love in our hearts. Okay. And then, who's next? Uh, si Martin. Poso Jesus.
Pos, pos hole sus, ta, tapolas, semilla,
Oye.
oye, ha, blepete,
Mm.
epi, te, te, te exosia, exosia,
Mm.
tu pneumatos,
Good.
to hagyu.
Yung to, pneumatos to hagio is the Holy Spirit. Okay. So the first sentence is a question.
How does how does Jesus perform
Okay. Perform.
all miracles you are witnessing
Or you see?
or you see?
Question mark.
It is by the
Ano
power
na
of
lang, epite. Ano, no? According, according to the exousia. Ano, epi is according. Tapos te, exousia, according to the,
spirit,
hindi, exousia is ano na power, no?
power of the spirit
Of the Spirit Holy.
of the Holy Spirit.
Yun, oo. Sige. Salamat sa Google Translate, no? Ako, tinitingnan ko lang eh. Wala akong notes dito eh. Sige, ano eh. Sige. Makakuha mo rin yan, makaka-recover ka rin. Anyway, who's next? I lost track of the ano, no? Kaya mo, ano yun? Entice. Si ano, si Ezra. Entice Memorize.
And entice, memorize, ec-
Okay, nice.
ecanize of and basileus and is Israel. Anar to acton
Agaton. Yes, Agaton.
and for Ptolemaios atau
Moise. Ophthalmois.
Ptolemaios atau Hoi A.
Good. Do you remember Hemera? They? But here this is plural, no? And then there is a demonstrative.
In the days
In those days,
in those days there was
okay, there was no Basileus.
a king
There's
in
no
Israel.
king.
In those days there was no king in Israel.
Good.
Oh, Anar man, sir. Anar
We could say here, ano, each man. Although I'm just adding the gloss of each because each man and then
man,
kuye. Or we could say also every man. Every
uh,
man.
every
Okay, go
man,
on. Every man does.
man does good
Or does what is good. Okay, to agaton. Everyone does what is good.
in their
But this is
I
a singular, no? So we will not use their. We will use his.
is in his eyes.
In his eyes. Okay. Uh, can you repeat that, the entire line from anti-Semirize?
In those days there was no king in Israel.
Good.
Each man
Each man does.
does what is good in his eyes.
Good. Thank you. So, just a few more. Okay. And then, who was that? I'm trying to guess whose turn. Sige, Johnson. Try this one. We're almost at the end.
Echo is that one, sir.
Yes, ako is mu.
Echo is Mu. Jacob. Kai Israel. On ego. Kalo. Ego is me. Protos Kai. Ego is me. Easton.
Ayuna.
Ayuna. Ayuna. So hear me, Jacob and Israel.
And then on is whom? Whom?
Whom I called.
Good.
I am the first and I am the last.
Practically, this is eternal. No? I am, or we say I am forever.
I
There
am
is
for.
no word last here, no? Okay. Hear me, Jacob and Israel, whom I have called. Period. Ego I me. I am the first and I am eternal. Okay? Or I am forever. I am forever. Thank you. Again, just a few more. So, Kerin, ulele.
Olelei feri omo emo kala ala kaka. He does not speak good of me,
Oh, yeah, you
but
can say. He does not speak good or good things about me, of me. And then
good things,
kaka.
but
But,
evil.
bad things. Well, evil is also okay, no?
Evil things.
Uh, he does not speak good things about me, but only bad. Parang sa ganun, something like that. But only bad things. So, okay, thank you. Thank you, Charin. Aun, David. Whose turn? Kevin.
Yes, sir.
Aun, David.
Ayun, David, Kalay, Otan, Orion, Os, Rios, Otto, Eston.
Question mark, yes. Okay.
Um, if if David if David
Okay, okay. Let's begin with then.
then okay so
Then if David
then he then David
Kalei auton kurion.
calls him
Calls him
calls him calls him
Curious.
Lord
Lord.
Lord
Then if David calls him Lord,
him David calls him Lord um calls him
post functions as why, the question.
how
Or how can be, yes, yes. How then,
how
how,
how how
how is he,
how is his son
how is he his son, something like that. How then is he his son?
how then
Okay.
he
Thank you, Kevin. Uh, who else? Ezra, Theotus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
E Tietos,
Go on, Theotus.
Tietos, Otos, L Lay.
Lalay, good. So you remember Autos? Oh, this one? Oh, sorry.
Uh, this man,
Yeah, this one is this man. Okay. Utos is this man. Utos is
those,
then. Then.
what this man, why this man speak?
speak
in this way.
in this way. Yeah. Utos there is literally it is just the word thus, no? Thus, no? Why does this man speak thus, no? So yung Google Translate is in this way. That's okay. A few more. Martin, Hoy Pantes, Garta.
Sir, yung number 7 po,
Oh, yung merong footnote 7, yes. Ay, superscript 7.
Hoy, Hoy Pantes Garta, Yuton, uh, Zetusin, Teleso Cristo,
Uta, Yesu Kristo.
Uta Yeso Cristo. For, sir, yung translation, sir,
Hmm.
for everyone looks for their own interest, not those of Jesus Christ.
Mm-hmm. For everyone looks or seeks iauton, no? Literally, it is towards themselves, no? They seek only towards themselves. Or, of course, if it's dynamic, they only look for their own benefits, no? So, wala naman talaga, benefit is a gloss, no? In order to understand. For their own interests can be used, no? Not the, not this one is not those of Jesus Christ or not the interests of Jesus Christ. Okay, two more. Allen, yung ano, with footnote 8, superscript 8. And then kay Ate Lisa yung last, no? Kay Kadiuksen. Sige ha, ego.
Okay, sir. Ha, ego, eoraka, I've seen, para, to, patri, lalokay, umaze, own, eko usate, para, to. I have seen. What I have seen in the what I have seen in the presence of the Father.
Ano lang, you just simply say what I have seen from the Father.
Okay, sir. What I have seen from the Father, I am speaking.
Okay, stop muna dito. You can begin with this one, yung lalo, no? So the sentence will become I speak. No, I will
I
add a
speak
clause only. I speak what I
what
have
I
seen
have
from the Father.
seen from the I speak what I have seen from the Father,
Kayo, Mace. And
and
you?
and
But
and
ano, okay.
therefore, or then,
And
sir,
you therefore,
and you therefore do what you heard from the Father,
hmm, and you therefore do what you have heard from the
what you have
Father.
heard from the Father, then that you are
You may say
you
you
are
are doing, yes.
you are doing the works of your Father.
You are doing the works of it. So, okay. Let's repeat that, no? I speak,
I
um,
speak what I have seen from the Father, and you therefore do what you heard from the Father,
you therefore do what you have heard.
from the Abba. You therefore do what you have heard from the Father. You are doing the works of your Father.
Okay, thank you. Ate Lisa, ano mo na, no? Kay, before we go on, he or she sought intently. That is the meaning of katedioksen.
Sought intently. Okay. Kai katedioksin oton Simon kai oi met auto kai yoron oton kai legosen auto hoti pantes sitosin se. You intently seek okay. And Simon
I think Simon here is the ano no, the doer of the subject, no. And Simon is intently seeking him. Something
and
like
Simon intently seeking with
Oton.
him
Hindi na lang, him lang, hindi with.
with him and they found him and Legosen and
They say.
they and said and they s- and s-
They say to him, kasi present tense
and,
to.
and say to him that everyone
Okay, everyone.
is looking for you. Is
Good.
looking
Everyone is
for
looking for you.
okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So we're done. That's what I said na it's better to have more classmates. It's better to have many uh because the entire translation exercises are distributed, no? It's just not if just only the three true students. So I think you have experience in the past, no? Why am I translating a lot? No? Because you only have a few students. But anyway, so this is recorded. So later on, I will upload this in the channel. I will be sending you a link. And just an observation, no? So